What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Stingy Roger, but everyone just calls me Stingy. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future uploads. Today we're going to do a really cool video. So we're actually going to be seeing what's faster between the 72v Talaria, which is currently running 28 kilowatts, and that is a CRF450 RX. It does actually have one less horsepower than the CRF450R, but it's better for off-road because it's got the 18-inch rear wheel, which means it's got more grip on this sort of bumpy stuff. What we're going to do now is we're going to head out down to some farmland and we're going to do some off-road drag racing. We're just about to head away from the compound down to some of the farmland behind it, and we're going to hit some trails on the way there. I have got a third-person camera angle, so that should come out pretty cool. And down this farm track there's some crops growing with a bit of a path between the two sides of crops. So one of us will pick a lane and the other one will go in the other lane, and yeah, do a little head-to-head. So we've got masses of farmland, as you can see. This might even be a good place to do it. I'm just going to scout the best, what I think would be the best area. Right, you know, if you beat me, my excuse is going to be that I've only got 81.5 volts instead of 84.
No, you can't say that.
No?
No.
Oh, damn. It's such a big bike, though, compared to this. Will wants a practice run. It is lumpy. It is quite lumpy. Oh my god, it's so fast! Oh my god, it's so fast. What happened, son? What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
I feel like you can modulate the power a lot more. You can get that traction, you can feel it.
Alright, so on the dirt I won, but shall we do it on the grass?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. We'll go back to the camera and then we'll do another one, maybe along this grass edge here. Mate, I couldn't keep the front end down. I couldn't keep the front down. Oh, you don't want to be in the video? Okay. The ground is a bit softer, so we should get some better traction. And it's cut for the tractor trail, so it should be pretty smooth. So yeah, we'll give it another go and see what the outcome is. Drag race, Will's going to count it in. You count it in. Oh, the 450's just got it, just a bit. Should we do another one going back? You pulled away from me a little bit. Yeah, go back the other way and we'll do one more. Just for, yeah. Swap lanes. We'll do one more, yeah? You count it in again, yeah? Oh my god. Yeah. It's quite a bit quicker. It's quite a bit quicker. Once you get into, I think it's 4th gear, then you start to pull.
Is it quite even before that?
I'd say it's even for the first 3 gears, up to maybe like 50, 60 mile an hour. Right. Then after that, you start to pull away. But I'm not really surprised, to be honest.
You wanna have a go on this?
Yeah, let's have a go on that quickly. Let me have a warm up on it. That's still quick though. No, the thing is, it has the gears, so basically mine's starting to run out of puff on that motor. I feel like...
That's the slow mode.
Oh. Is it?
Like the least aggressive mode.
Oh, on the throttle. So the problem is, that's running out of... Maybe when I swap down to a slightly smaller sprocket, it'd be a bit closer, but yeah. Different type of bike completely. I mean, the power was there on the Talaria, but completely different bike. Now, I will say this bike's set up for someone that's 105 kilos and I'm about half that, so I'm struggling a bit with the bumps, but it's still fun and I do like riding it. It's just that thing will take you places you cannot go on this. Yeah, I just watched the video back that she took. I just watched the video she took and it was like, sort of like this sort of distance between us, not that much. By the time we were probably doing about 50 or 60.
Right.
So a little bit. Buddy just used up like 10%. Would you prefer riding this or that? That one. It feels like a dinosaur.
Pretty much.
So guys, to conclude, the 450 did pull away from me once I got to about 50 or 60 miles per hour, but that does help with the gearing. Now my bike's actually only running 28 kilowatts, and I do have friends that are running north of 40 kilowatts, so it'd be great to get them down here to have a go against the 450 as well, because I think it would only take another sort of like 5 kilowatts to go past that 450 quite marginally. But yeah, and also the Social motor, if I had probably like the EBMX motor, which has a slightly higher kV rating, I think that top end would be better, so that might help as well. But yeah, quite interesting day. Got plenty of other things to race, 0 to 60. I'm going to do a sport bike as well, hopefully soon. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button, leave me a like, and drop down in the comments what you want to see me race next. We can do cars, bikes, anything. Quad bikes, we've got a Raptor we can use as well. But yeah, so guys, thanks again. My name's Stingy Roger, and I'll see you next week.